Hey guys, my name is Shaztech and welcome to today's Galaxy Buds unboxing video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe for more daily tech videos. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here is the Galaxy Buds box that you get straight off the bat, and as you can see it has a 6 hours playtime, crystal clear call quality, wireless charging included, and it's designed for comfort and stability. So this is the box. Let's get straight into this. We open it up and as you can see you get your Galaxy Buds and the box that includes your ear tips as well as your charging cable. Here is the instruction manual, which we'll leave aside, but as you can see on the back of this it says that the package contains your earbuds, your charging case, your wingtip sets, your earbud tips, USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. So here you can see that you've got the Galaxy Buds, which I'll get into in a moment, but first let's just open this up and see what we've got inside of this. So as you can see, it's your USB-C charging cable as well as your wingtips, which are included in the box, and as well as that you've got yourself a wireless charging option if you prefer. I tend to use the wireless charging option because I got a free wireless charger duo from Samsung when I bought my Galaxy Watch. Right, we'll also leave this aside and get into the main attraction that we're here for, is the Galaxy Buds themselves, which is right over here. So one problem with this is that you can't open it with one hand, but as you can see that it's got a very stylish look as well as a Samsung logo. If you can see it right there guys, it's very broad and not focused, but there's the case as well as the LED light which is over there. It's a very stylish, very clean and slick look of the Galaxy Buds case. So let's get this opened up. So when you open up the Galaxy Buds, you see a green indicator. This can also be either red or yellow depending on the charging status. Here the green means that it has 100% full charge. So let's just put this down and take out one of the buds. So let's, for example, take out the left one. And as you can see, I've got the wingtips inside. There's the yellow magnetic charging coils which stick into the case, and the very comfortable wing tips. So I'm just going to put this back in there and it should flicker, showing that it has charged. Yep, as you can see it flickered, meaning that it is charging, but in this case it's green, meaning that it's finished charging. So yeah guys, this was my very quick Galaxy Buds unboxing video. Very nice, very compact and convenient device. If you enjoyed watching this video guys, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe for more daily tech videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.